Ever pondered the magic behind an automatic garage light? Meet the Shogini Toys IR-based garage light DIY kit. Stay with us as we delve into the fascinating world of DIY electronics. Unboxing a new kit is always exciting, isn't it? Inside, find a concise manual, a pre-wired project on an acrylic board featuring an LED module, an IR sensor, and a CPU. Now, with all the components ready, we're set to power up our project. Setting up the project is a breeze with everything ready at hand. Simply pop open the battery holder cover and insert 3 AA batteries. Then, flick the power switch on. The magic begins. The LED light springs to life when the IR sensor detects a nearby object, mirroring an actual automatic garage light. It stays lit for a predetermined time before fading, conserving energy. And voila! Our DIY automatic garage light is up and running. But the fun doesn't stop here. Consider showcasing this innovative project at your next school science exhibition or incorporate it into an interactive model. This project not only sparks creativity, but also demonstrates real-world applications. So, go ahead, unbox your creativity with the Shogini Toys IR-based garage light DIY kit. Happy tinkering!